Hello everyone, hope everybody's doing fine. I'm making this video for the first time, especially for the truckers, for owner operators. I was searching from long time to find some compatible AC for my semi truck. As you know, the APUs are pretty expensive, and as you search on eBay or Amazon, they're pretty expensive. So what I found is this called Icy Breeze for $289, the cheapest compatible AC, portable AC, especially for the owner operators, for semi truck drivers. I found it's a very pretty good deal. This is for $889. You can put ice in it and some water. So today outside is, I don't have that thermometer with me, so today outside is about 89 degrees, and I'm here in Indiana, Franklin Interstate Warehouse. So this product for $289, it makes my truck more cooler than the AC unit in the truck. So I love this product, and I want every owner operator, semi truck driver, if you're looking for something cheaper, this is the best product. I'm making this video for the first time. I never made before. So I really want everyone, like especially owner operators, to try this product only for $289. This is perfect. I found this is the cold air is around 35-38 degrees I'm getting now, and the air pressure is very good. So this comes with the 3 air pressures: low, medium, high. And you might hear the noise. And the air is around 35, 40, 42 degrees cold air coming. And the good part is you can also get the batteries. You can like buy it, I think it's $15 each. You can add batteries how many you want, but I bought this. Yeah, it's free. If you bought this product, it comes with this the cigarette charger. It comes with this for free. So for $289, this is the best product, best portable AC unit I found, and it's worked pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.